Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is a crucial one for anyone involved in the cryptocurrency space. We're about to embark on an enlightening journey, exploring the intriguing world of cryptocurrency wallets. These digital wallets are more than just storage. They're your personal interface to the blockchain, essential for managing and securing your digital assets. So how do you choose the right one? With the right storage solution, you can ensure the safety and security of your digital assets. Let's dive in. Cryptocurrency wallets are generally categorized into two types: hot wallets and cold wallets. Let's start with hot wallets. These are digital wallets that are always connected to the internet. They can be categorized into three main types: mobile wallets, which are apps on your smartphone; desktop wallets, which are software installed on your computer; and web wallets, which are accessible through a web browser. Hot wallets are incredibly convenient for those who are frequently making transactions. They offer easy access to your digital assets, allowing you to trade or spend your cryptocurrencies with just a few clicks or taps. They're often free or low cost, making them an affordable option for many. However, this convenience comes with a trade-off. Because hot wallets are connected to the internet, they are more susceptible to cyber attacks. Hackers can exploit vulnerabilities in your device or network to steal your digital assets. So while hot wallets are convenient, their internet connectivity also makes them more vulnerable to hacks. On the other hand, we have cold wallets. These are the Fort Knox of cryptocurrency wallets. They're offline, disconnected from the internet, and that's what makes them so secure. Cold wallets come in two main types: hardware wallets and paper wallets. Hardware wallets are like small encrypted portable devices that store your private keys. They're immune to computer viruses and are perfect for storing large amounts of crypto securely. Then we have paper wallets. These are quite literally a physical piece of paper on which your crypto keys are printed. They're entirely offline, making them extremely secure but also quite delicate. The main advantage of cold wallets is that they provide a high level of security, making them excellent for long-term storage of digital assets. They significantly reduce the risk of cyber theft, but, as with all good things, there's a downside. The trade-off is less convenience for quick transactions. Choosing the right wallet depends on your investment strategy and how you use your cryptocurrencies. For active traders, a hot wallet's convenience might be key. Long-term investors, however, may value the security of a cold wallet over speed. But remember, no matter the wallet, security should always be top priority. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and regularly back up your wallet. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more guides and tips. Until next time, keep your digital assets safe.